Hey, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's Don and I am sweating like a pig. My brother and I just unloaded this U-Haul truck filled with furniture. We're finally furnishing the living room and the dining room. Shout out to my bro Reggie for helping. So we are about to finish up and then I'll show you all the final product. So I'm thinking that, because I feel like this will take up more, like it'll fill the space more. How's it going? Oh, you're fine. We are getting ready for bed. He's had his bath, he's had dinner. We're about to read some books. Do you have anything you'd like to say?
Hi.
Go back to bed. Baby, please, baby, please. Your turn.
What? Not on your head. Baby blues, baby blues.
I am trying to put this on.
Just stick it on, babe.
I just thought it went further down, but it doesn't. You see that gap?
Yeah, it's supposed to go further down, babe.
No.
Look at the box. What does it look on the box?
It is all the way down.
It's so big up.
Okay, I got it. I didn't want to break it.
You're crazy. You're like, no, it doesn't go down. Okay.
Is telling us that even though the future looks bleak, I know that God will see me through. My vision is telling me that there's a storm up ahead, but even though there's a storm up ahead, I'm going to walk confidently because I believe that God will see me through.
Hey y'all, sorry I didn't get to vlog before I returned back to work. I am headed back in now, so I will see you all once I leave for the day, and I will just kind of debrief with you about the day and what it looked like for me and what exactly I'm doing, because it is a little bit different. And hey, so this is what I am having for lunch. Just I think this is a thigh and some spaghetti that Kiana made. Super grateful. So I'm going to go ahead and say grace and eat. Hey, so it is the next day after work and we are at Sonny's soccer practice. So it's just a little league. So we so Sonny's actually all the way over there. I'll show you all him. He ran off, but he's on his way back. Don, wait, you gotta get on. Careful. Here we go. He's just a daredevil. Son, no kicking water, okay? We keep our feet on the ground. Are you gonna play with the gun? No, that's nasty. Hey y'all, so we just got home and I'm getting ready to cook Sonny dinner before bed. It's like 7:15 p.m. and I am getting ready to make him dinner. But before I make his dinner, I wanted to give you all a tour because you all have not seen the furnished living and dining room. So let me give you all an update. So that is the updated furnishing of the formal living and dining room. Shout out to my uncle and his wife because they gifted us this furniture. They wanted to, well, they were giving the furniture away. And so my uncle really wanted to bless me with this furniture and it's so funny because at first I was like, no, because if you all know, like my style is definitely more modern and yeah, just like modern and airy and things like that. But this furniture is so classic and so timeless that, you know, I came to my senses and I was like, okay, like this is like $10,000 worth of like real like adult furniture. It feels like an exhibit in here. And it really fits this aesthetic more. I think for what I was wanting was for another house. And it's like, I have to show you all the house down the street. Y'all, I just wanted to show y'all, this is the house I was referring to when I said like, I want furniture, particular furniture. It matches more of that house than my own. Basically, like that's what I wanted, but we don't live in that, like, that house. Let me fix this boy so I can eat. But let me all know what you all think about this. Don, make sure you got to go back to first base. Hey, so we just finished T-ball and we are going to the park. I always try to take him to the park that's nearby, wherever we are practicing for whatever sport he's in. He's in karate, swimming, baseball, and soccer. So each one is at a different location, but they all have their own parks. So we try to take him to the park after each one because the schedule is going to be strict. Well, not strict, but like after this I have to go to Sam Club, then it's dinner, and then it'll be time for bed. So yeah, so let's go ahead. It's like 6 o'clock now. He's in bed by 8:30, so not a lot of time left. We just got our groceries, so we are on our way to the house now. It only took us 1 hour. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. It's Friday, and I'm doing some contract work, so I'm getting ready to meet with some patients. So I have my lunch. This is what I packed for lunch. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all a quick joke before I go. My son is learning about fish. He absolutely loves fish. And the school just sent an email and they asked, why are fish so smart? I'll give you a moment to think about it. Okay. Because they live in schools. Hey y'all, so I am getting ready to finish the rest of my day. I know I'm super rusty right now at vlogging, but it'll get better. So I'll hop back on once I'm done. I am on my way to get Sonny. I finished up for the day, or for the week, I should say. I am excited for this weekend. Sonny has swim class tomorrow, so I really need to just sit down and plan our weekend. I was wondering if I wanted if I wanted to take Sonny to see his cousin, or if I wanted to have his cousin come out. His cousin is, so I have a nephew. He's 2 years old. I know, right? Like Uncle Don. Oh my gosh. I told y'all I was gonna stop driving and talking to y'all. So let me cut the video here. I'll talk to y'all when I am not moving a vehicle. Hey y'all, excuse me, oh my gosh, can't figure anything out. Hey, so oh my gosh, okay, I think I'm officially have hiccups. We are back. Did some slight grocery shopping. There were a few extra things I wanted to get, so I went to Aldi's and they had these dino nuggets. So I'm about to put these on with some fries, and hopefully he eats it. I think he will. He was excited for them, so we'll see.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy weekend. It's probably not the weekend when you're watching this, but if it is, happy weekend. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I just fixed Sonny pancakes and bacon. He is eating his bacon like a champ. You all don't know what we've been through with eating. Maybe I'll make a video about it, but it's like God is just answering all of our prayers. Son, are you ready for swim class? Okay. So this is his swimsuit. So he has his baby shark with, I should have had him in this yesterday, but it's okay. I had him play outside afterwards and he dried right off. This is definitely a hot spot for police, so I will not be on here long, but do you see these clouds? I did not know that it was going to be like this. I did not know that it was going to be a storm. It did storm last night, which I was so happy about because I love sleeping through the night when it's raining. Like, my quality of sleep is just so much better. So we had to turn around because it's raining. So my hope is that the thunder and lightning will stop and we're able to come back here. But if we're not able to come back here, then we'll just blow up the bounce pool. Sonny's a little sad, but you know, we're learning emotional regulation, so take a deep breath. Thank you. Since we could not go outside, I brought the outside inside.